growing. Hey, Mom, look, 2 baby trees. Look, see, 1 baby tree over there.
Aw.
He's so cute.
Yeah, she doesn't like that one, okay, Amelia?
Okay. Pinky, stuff around. You see
Hey, Stell. Stell, can you tickle Mealy?
You can do the job with going down.
Mealy, look what she was doing, look. Doot, doot, doot.
It's a jolly holiday with you, window. A jolly, jolly holiday with you, window.
Mealy, you don't do that to screens, okay? Don't do that. Where's Stella going?
They're going to the teacher.
Ooh, Poppy's little trick worked. Stella, it's almost time to eat.